Tiffany Apgar with Universal Window Solutions. We sell, service, install windows and doors. SureFire has exceeded our expectations on many levels. It allows you to create everything that you need in one system. Everything from your quote, to your order, to your delivery schedule, to invoicing, to POs, everything that you need in one system. Where a lot of the times, a lot of the other softwares only offer bits and pieces. SureFire really is a turnkey solution in order to be able to do everything that you need to do to run your business efficiently. It really takes human error out of it, which has helped us a lot. SureFire has saved us quite a bit of time. So what SureFire has freed up a lot of time for our sales team as far as quoting goes. All they have to do is click a couple buttons and it imports everything for them. The labor is calculated for them. We don't have to have 7 different quotes. Just because you get busy, you have 4 or 5 different quotes that you're working on, which before may have taken you about 3 or 4 days. Now we can get probably 5 quotes done in one day. So it's really helped us become more organized. One thing that SureFire has really revolutionized for us would be the way we pay our installers. Before, everything was paper. We had a paper trail for everything. What SureFire now allows us to do for our installers is when our QC manager actually goes to the job site, he brings his iPad and he can QC it right then and there. There's no extra paperwork, there's no downtime. It's all live. As soon as he does it, we know. If you're thinking about purchasing SureFire, I would definitely get to know their team. Talk to them. They'll be honest with you. We saw results immediately after we started applying SureFire. Just as far as being able to bring in more business, monetarily it has helped because our guys have more free time. Their definition of capacity has changed. So I know that when something's put into SureFire that it's going to be right.